Morning, everybody. I hope y'all are doing good this morning. It's bright and early. I'm outside. It's already hot, and I know that it's going to be about 95 or so today. Not a drop of rain in sight. I came out here early this morning. I've already watered my garden. I'm having to water it twice a day now. I'm hoping to work on this porch today. May not can get it done. There's a lot of things I need to do. This needs to be sanded, painted. My poor door, it's got mildew on it. But this side of the house doesn't get much sun except from my garden, but I'm talking about the house part. I'm hoping to fix my porch. I'm hoping to clean it up and paint it. I've thrown all those boxes that I had on it off. Let's take a look. Poor little butternut squash vines. That's what the heat has done to them. That and those pesky squash bugs that get on here. I come out here every day and look for them and spray them. But they have done a number on these. Now they're still, see, there's the flowers. So they're still trying to produce fruit. These over here, they're doing pretty good. I've got several fruits on this one. You see that one right in there? It's doing good. Got one right down there. Another one right there. I don't know if you, well, can you see that? It's in there. Yeah, there it is, back in there. Got another one right down there. And another one down there. You can see them on the back side here a little better. They're still trying to produce things. There's a pretty flower right down there. And these over here, I don't know. They're trying. You see, they're still putting on some little fruit in there. I don't know if it's gonna make into anything. I've had them dry up. There's a flower down there. This guy's doing real good. It's not time to pick him yet. You got to wait till the stem turns brown. Here's another one trying to come out. So they're trying to do things. These things are still doing all right. Here's that tomato plant I told you about. There was nothing but a stick. It probably won't have any fruit. It just got too hot too quickly. There's my carrots. Now I've already gotten about 4 bell peppers off these plants. But look here. They're putting on more. Look at that guy right down in there. Here's one here. There's one right over there. They've got lots of blossoms on here. They're making fruit. So they got kind of a little cooling off period. Here's a bunch of new little bell peppers coming up in here. Here's one here. Yep. Oh, there's one down there. Let's see. Right there. Right here, I'm going to take these, if I get any bell pepper out of them, and I'm going to clean them up and cut them in half, put them in the freezer. Look at this guy. He was dead as a doornail. He's coming back. Isn't that something? I tell you, we just never know, do we? It just tells us not to give up on anything. You know, it takes me a long time to figure out if I need to give up on something or not. I keep going until, I don't know, I guess if it's a person, till they just kick me to the curb. But on other things, it takes me a long time to realize that it's a losing battle. I'm going to keep watering these things, keep doing the best I can. I've taken my boxes, my Amazon boxes, and I've thrown them all over there. I'm either going to cut them up and use them around the garden to hold the weeds down. You know, you can also use cardboard boxes that you don't need, put them in flower beds and cover them with soil, leaves, or mulch. I mean, it takes a long time for those to break down, but when they do, it's a natural soil additive, so it's not bad for the environment like plastic would be. It's a good way to use your boxes and things. See, I've got some over here holding down the weeds so I can get over there in the weed eater, and then I'm gonna lay those back down, because that's a good thing to do. I've got to get this porch. This porch has never been painted since it was built here. Horrible porch. It's really awful. People that built it, I'm going to show you what they did. Now, they got some great steps. I like them because they're great for people like me who, you know, may not be able to step high. But look here. It stops right there. The rail stops right there. And here's where it's supposed to stop. And there is no rail here. This is what they did. I tell you. You just can't depend on some people, can you? I paid them. They went away. I'd rather pay them and go on, even though I wasn't satisfied with that. I mean, after all, had this been on the front porch, I might have raised a stink, but on the back porch, I'd rather get them gone, get them out of here, and have some kind of big argument with them. So anyway, my poor little garden, it's trying so hard, doing the best it can. I'm going to come out here this afternoon and see what I can do, see what needs to be done. I love the trees. I love mornings like this. What do y'all have planned today? I hope it's something you really want to do and something that doesn't just wear you slap out. I hope it's something you like. Okay, I gotta get busy. I didn't have my coffee this morning. I think I better go do that. It gives me some energy. Hope y'all have a great day. I'll talk to you all after a while. Okay? Hope God is good to you. Bye-bye.